So this is a prop shaft that came in that was changed by another shop, and they pretty much got to the point they couldn't figure out what was going wrong with it. The customer supplied the prop shaft. We don't see any difference in the prop shaft, but he said the shift pin was bent, so he ordered another one. This is the one that was in it, and as you can see, it flops around. This motor did not have a model and serial number on it because it's been scratched off. This other one has the exact same diameter also. Our best guess with research is that is the pin that it takes. And if you'll notice that that's 9.2 millimeters is 0.362205, 0.36, well, I've got it set at 362205. So that's what the diameter of that is that goes in here. And you notice it just slips in with no play. And both of those are the same. So pretty much, and this is longer than it's supposed to have been. Let's see. There's the Yamaha part that we pretty sure that he ordered for it. That was not the correct one. So anyway, with our research, that's the one we ordered. It should be here within a couple of days, and put it in, and hopefully it'll shift the way it's supposed to.